Hey friends, ETPC here, do another unboxing. Today we are checking out a floor stand for smartphones, tablets, etc. Should be an extendable tripod type phone holder here. Alright, so let's open this up. So first off, we got in here, this is by Youtilon. Is that adjustable too? Okay, so both edges come out, so that's can hold just about anything, I would think, on that. Nice little kind of rubberized grips here, so it's not going to fall off. So that's the top part there. Move some of this stuff out of the way. All right, what else we got going on here? Oh, ho, ho, ho. All right. Here is the main deal here. I think seems to be fairly heavy, and heavy I mean, you know, well constructed, metallic, not cheap plastic or anything. All right, and down here, what do we have? A little screw part there as well. All right, so let's check this thing out. Actually, there's a little bit more stuff in the box here before I continue. What we got here? All right, cool, like a flexible end part. That's pretty nice. What else? That's it. That is it, my friends. Okay, a little bit of instruction action here too. Youtilon. Alright, screw down, cap, blah blah blah. Here we go, open the package. Folded tripod. Alright, so do a little setup action, I'm thinking. Be alright. So the back of this unscrews here. Oh, caught it. Nice. Alrighty, so you're going to take this, pop this ball here into the joint behind, and then screw that down. That's going to hold it in place. Make sure your threads are aligned nicely there. They don't think those are correct. Alright, so okay. There we go, that's a little better, I think. Maybe just unscrew it and then put the ball in there and then tighten it down. Or maybe I should read the instructions. I don't know. Do we need to read the instructions? Maybe we do. Alright, why not? When all else fails, read the instructions, right? Okay, screw down the cap on the thing. Tight the cap. Connect the adapter with the ball on the soft tube, and then screw it on. Okay, so I was doing it right the first time, I guess. Put that in there. Okay, and then screw the cap down on there. Come on. Okay. There we go. Alright, so that's going to be on there like that. And it rotates, 360 degree rotation, as well as bendable in different ways too. So that's pretty cool. And then this thing obviously can go any way you want it to. That's pretty sweet. Alright, now let's check out this tripod type stand here. Alright, I have to get myself some more room here. So, oh yeah, this thing bends out like that. Nice. It's already about 3 feet high or so, and then you can tighten this down so it stays in place. Go ahead and put this on the floor. Well, maybe not. All right, here's the next one. Okay. Sweet. I needed a nice sturdy higher stand for my phone. So here we go. And least but not last, oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. All right. I wonder if I could stand up here or not. This is probably, that's looking almost like about 6 feet tall there. It's pretty, see if I can get the whole thing in there for you. Yeah, there we go. So it's pretty good size here. And then I can stick this on the top, I believe, by just, let's see here. Okay, that didn't work on there. Okay, here it is. So we can screw this part down onto the little cover that was there on the end here. And least but not last, we can screw the seriously, hang on. It never fails. You're trying to make a video and the phone rings. All right, so this screws onto here. Dun, 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 dun. Just like that. My goodness, this thing is amazing. This is like just what I needed for my channel, as far as just having the versatility to pretty much, yeah, this thing's, I'd say it's almost 7 feet tall. Let's go ahead and lower it down here. This is really cool, and it folds away to almost nothing. You know, about a foot and a half. So I will definitely be using this. You know, look at that. You can. It's basically for, you know, just holding your phone. Maybe watching a video while you're holding it. I don't know, but I'm going to be using it for recording for sure. This is a very sturdy holder for sure. Appears to be well constructed, and the legs you can adjust to if you want them. Let me see here, a little bit looser. If you did want it like wider, if it's windy outside, you can adjust them all the way out to there. So definitely a very sturdy looking device here. Pretty happy with this for sure. So that's that, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for this. Pick it up at Amazon for around $30. I think $28.99, something like that. So, all right, my friends, thanks for watching. A rather long unboxing slash kind of setup tutorial, but we'll see you next time for more videos. Take care. Hey there, friends. Final thoughts on the this floor stand for smartphone and tablets. So I use it as a tripod to hold my phone. The only thing is, it's wider than my phone since it's meant to be like holding it. So when I'm recording, I just have it up at the top. But this thing gripper is so good. It's got really good grips here. It holds the phone no matter what. How I'm holding it, and I can have it hanging or whatever. So this thing's super adjustable. I love that fact that I can change it to any angle pretty much I want. I use my phone a lot for making videos, so this thing is awesome. It adjusts to nearly any height. These things come out, and the three, it's super sturdy. It's about 7 feet tall. You can curve this over if you want it short. This adjustable part lets you get right down on the action there. So if you have it down here, with these out all the way. Super, it's super sturdy, so you can have these just real low and have it right there, and you can bring your camera right down on there if you're recording that, whatever. So also, like I said, I think it extends to approximately 7 feet high. Easy to work with. It's durable. It's sturdy. This thing is a boss. So even though it's specifically designed just to hold your tablet or whatever, if you're watching TV next to your treadmill or whatever, I use it for a tripod to hold my phone when I'm recording, and it's awesome. So thanks for watching this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out if you want in Amazon. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.